When it comes to water, how do you protect fish, which obviously live in water, while at the same time create ample water supplies for both cities and farms? Well, there's a new facility on the Sacramento River that is tackling that issue.
We're here to celebrate today the opening of the joint intake facility here at Conway Ranch. And what that means is that we have a screen which is state of the art and which will prevent the iconic salmon of California, which is so important to all of us, from being destroyed when the water is drawn into the cities of Woodland and Davis and to the ranch.
First, it's an intake to get water, surface water, out of the river for both farmers and urban areas, the cities of Woodland, Davis, as well as Conway Ranch. Most importantly, it's a modern, state-of-the-art fish screen. So the existing intake, because there's water already coming out of the river, doesn't have any screens on it. Has large pumps, is dangerous to small fish, especially endangered species like the salmon and steelhead. So this new facility has screens that won't suck any of the fish into the pumps, won't kill any of the babies, so they all get out to the ocean and grow up.
Both the cities of Davis and Woodland draw on groundwater and have forever. That's been our source since our cities were founded. And now we're drawing, so that's source number one. Now we're drawing on surface water. There are a lot of cities in the state of California that I think would be envious of our water supply. The conjunctive use, it's very resilient. And so the ability to draw on two unique sources that are actually not connected to each other creates a long-term sustainable water solution for our cities, and that's pretty amazing given the times we're in.
I thought it would never happen. I thought it would crumble under its own weight. There was so much involved, so many people involved, so many agencies, municipalities, environmental groups. There was just no way it was going to happen. 6 years later, here we are. It's really incredible. I live in Davis, so I benefit twice from this project. I've got clean water at my house, and I got clean water going into my rice fields here on the Conway Ranch. Before, I didn't care. You know, Davis was getting groundwater, Conway was getting their water from the river, from the surface water, and suddenly I realized that this can work. You know, and then you look, and we went through the drought, and a lot of ground was idled because of the drought. Projects like this will ensure water for both farms and the houses in the future.